A very warm welcome, namaskar, to each and everyone joining in for the National Prestige Award 2024, the very first edition we are celebrating at Kites Craft Production. Well, this is a golden opportunity, a great chance to connect, to celebrate, to congratulate all the educators and people from the business fraternity. Yes. It is your dedication, your commitment, your service that we at Kites Craft Production are giving a big salute. Well, this is the greatest platform, a wonderful opportunity online that we are connecting and congratulating all the awardees for the National Prestige Award 2024. This is just the beginning for a new chapter, a better tomorrow. So sit back, wherever you are, at your home, at your office place, or wherever across India, across the globe, we are together celebrating, congratulating all the awardees for the National Prestige Award 2024. Thank you for being a part of this great event. Let's congratulate, let's celebrate each and every one of you. The very first award is for the best astrologer and tantric in India, and the award goes to Jyotish Bhavan, astrologer Jyotish Devraj. The next award is for the excellence in Indigenous folk lyricist, and the award goes to M. Indrajit at Miraba.
Nungshi kabrang Thouna Happachabi Takpirakpa Shintakpurel Thoni directly Hinduna Lyricist Anina Pamine Aikhoina Yelhomi Kanba Wayen Kanglon Yelhomi Kanba Wayen Kanglon
Kan sila ugabaya kairo